Hey there, today we're decorating candy corn sugar cookies that everyone will love.
Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So grab your candy corn cookies and your scribe or toothpick or even an edible marker and make a couple of lines where you want the color separation to be on each side of the cookie. I'm just going to scratch them in here with my scribe. And before I forget, all of the supplies you need to make these cookies are listed in the description. And so once you finish marking where your lines are going to go, brush off any cookie crumbs, and I'm going to start by grabbing my royal icing in yellow. My icing's in about a 15-second consistency, and I'm going to outline the bottom third of this cookie and flood it in with the same exact icing. And if you're not familiar with 15-second icing consistency, I'll link a video tutorial for that. And once I'm done filling in this section with the icing, I'm just going to grab my scribe, or you can use a toothpick, and I'm just going to smooth it out and pop any air bubbles. Then I'm going to turn the cookie upside down and go ahead and fill in the top third of the cookie with my white royal icing. My white icing is also at a 15-second consistency. If your icing is a little bit looser than mine, don't go all the way to the edge. Instead, you can leave a gap, and then just use your scribe or toothpick to move your icing all the way to the edge. Once you've finished filling that in, use your scribe to settle that down and pop any air bubbles, and then you're going to want to set this cookie aside to dry until the icing crusts over, which will be about 15 minutes for me. And once that icing has crusted over, grab your orange icing and fill in the center part of this cookie. And I bet you can't guess what consistency my orange icing is. Yep, you guessed it, 15 seconds. So go ahead and fill that in, and then use your scribe or toothpick to settle that down. And then set this cookie aside to dry, because guess what? You're done! These cookies are part of the cookies I included in my DIY Halloween cookie decorating kit, and you can easily make one of your own. It's a super fun activity to do with the family or your cool friends and goblins, and I'll leave a link to the video tutorial on how I put this kit together in the description. And here's our finished candy corn cookies, and whether you like candy corn or you don't, everyone will love candy corn cookies. So let me know in the comments if you would eat these cookies and if you like candy corn, or if you just use them to fill up your candy jar for beautiful fall colors. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.